Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahmed. Today we are going to review a headphone. It's Sony WH-1000 MX3. It's the Mark III version of Sony noise cancellation headphones. It's one of the world's populous headphone in the world, and we can use it for around 40 hours, play music and calls, and it has active noise cancellation. It means you can cancel off the background noises around you. And now we will take the product and we will see how it's. And guys, this is the casing that is given by Sony. There is a small pocket here, messy pocket, and in the zip they are branding Sony in the both side, and it's a very strong protective case. First of all, we'll open it and see what's in the carrying case. There is a AUX cable you can plug to computers. Before that, I have unboxed my older headphone. That's a Anker Soundbud Curve headphone. It's good for sport mode, but this is good for airplanes and to cancel the noise cancellation, and this is very comfortable than that Anker. And this is, you can check that Anker Soundbud Curve video in the card here or in the description below. And they have given a adapter for airplanes, and the charger USB-C to USB-A type. And at last we can see the headphone. You can put it like this and take it around easily. And they have given the instructions here. What are the instructions? And they have told noise cancellation and SFC connection is available. Nothing else in the package. Sorry to say that I could not unbox this one because I didn't get the chance to unbox. Now we will put the things into the package and we'll go through the headphone. What can we do, how to set up and how to modify this. First of all, we will keep this aside, but I think I need the instruction, so I will. This is also a type of the shape of a headphone. They have told how to keep the headphone in the carrying case. We will see that one also. Now we will keep the sun in. We'll take the headphone. They have put here the right side in a red color, and this side left for left side. And in the left side only they have given the buttons, and the right side they have given the charging port USB-C. And in the right side they have put the AUX to connect to the AUX cable input, and the power button, and the LED indicator, and the noise cancellation and NBM board to cancel off the backgrounds. And inside also they have a microphone to cancel off the noises that are background. And here also they have put two microphones in the both either sides to analyze the background noises and cancel off to our ears. And this is feel very nice, and this is very comfortable to use because of this foam. And if we just without owning, if we put the microphone, it's very comfortable, and already the 10% of the noise is cancelling. And now we will connect to my iPhone 11 and let's play some music and check how. And before that, I'll show how to connect to your mobile phone. You can't just on the Bluetooth and connect this one, because this is advanced. headphone, and you can change all there are so many modes, and you can change the equalization. First of all, you want to go to Play Store and download Sony headphone application, and go to application, and they will ask for to on we will switch on this, and it will indicate in blue color to connect. Now it's connecting, it's loading to connection. It should be in plain blue color to connect. If it's blinking, it won't connect. Now it's connected. Go to connection, then they will show the select device, and the name is there, WH-1000X Mark III. Tap to register. Now it will select, and you can select the headphone. Now it's connected. Now let's play some music, and now we will check how the sound like, and it's showing the percentage of headphone battery. We'll put to max sound, and we can play around with the sound. You can control the sound position control. There are VPR modes in the application, and if you go to there are so many sensors and settings. Now we will stop the song, and if you ask whether I am recommending this headphone or not, if you are not bothered about the price, this will be very superb headphone for you. This is the Sony WH-1000X Mark III. This is the headphone, and there are some functions. If you double tap to right side of the headphone, you can change, and the back side of the headphone, if you double tap, you can go to previous song, and if you tap on the middle of the headphone, it will play the song and pause the song. When you are playing music, if someone comes to talk with you, you can keep your hand like this, and it will be go to transparency mode, and you can hear your voice through the headphone. It will be superb. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. Now I'm going to hear some music of Michael Jackson. The song is They Don't Care About Us. I will put the link in the description for the sound, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Peace.